Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, viewers and Mexo, to this grammar class. Today, we study can and can't.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to learn.
First, I will show you the lesson structure. Theory. We learn the grammar rules. Examples. We see clear sentences. Quiz. You choose the correct form. Mexo, are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Now we start with the theory. Listen for can and can't.
Great. I will pay attention.
Basic meaning. Can shows ability. It means a person is able to do something now. Example. A boy can swim. Example. A girl can draw. One form for all subjects. Can does not change with he, she, or it. Use can after the subject. Example. He can run. Example. She can sing. Example. It can jump. Positive sentences. For positive sentences, use subject plus can plus base verb. Do not add to before the verb. Example. They can play soccer. Example. We can make pizza. Negative sentences. Can't means not able to do something. Use subject plus can't plus base verb. Example. The baby can't walk. Example. The dog can't read. Cannot is the long form of can't. Both forms mean the same thing. Example. I cannot hear the radio. Example. I can't hear the radio. Questions. For questions, put can before the subject. Then use the base verb. Example. Can you cook? Example. Can she dance? Use yes or no for short answers. Say yes, I can, or no, I can't. Example. Can you swim? Yes, I can. Example. Can he drive? No, he can't. Permission. Can also asks for permission. It is common in simple questions. Example. Can I open the window? Example. Can we sit here? Good work with the theory. Now examples will help us practice.
Examples make the rules clearer.
I can ride a bike. My sister can play the piano. The cat can climb the tree. The fish can swim fast. A baby can't drive a car. The bird can fly over the house. I can't see the board. Can you close the door? Can they speak English? We can't enter the room. Can I use your phone? She can't lift the big box. He can take a photo. Can we drink water here? They can't open the gate. Nice examples. Now it is quiz time.
I am ready for the challenge.
Choose an option. Can swim. I can swim. Choose an option. Can sing. She can sing. Choose an option. Can't dance. He can't dance. Choose an option. Can you cook? Can you cook? Choose an option. Can play. They can play tennis. Choose an option. Can't hear. We can't hear the music. Choose an option. Can I open? Can I open the window? Choose an option. Can run. The dog can run fast. Choose an option. Can't walk. A fish can't walk. Choose an option. Can she read? Can she read this book? Choose an option. We can. Yes, we can. Choose an option. I can't. No, I can't. Good job. You completed the class.
Thank you, Emma. See you in the next lesson.